Hi, this is Stefan with GK Realty Group, a local realtor here in Miami Gardens, and in this video we're going to learn some tricks in math, how you factor and find solution for this three equation. We're going to do it in three ways and see which one you'd like to be comfortable to do and use it in the future. Let's start with the first one. We have here 10x squared minus 8x minus 2 equal 0. First of all, we have to factor this equation, then find the solution. So what we're going to do, we take this number here and we multiply it in this. How much gives us in this case is minus 20. So what we're going to do, we find two numbers, this a and b times b equal to minus 20, and a plus b is equal to 8. So we have to have two numbers is equal to this here, and you add them to each other gives you 8. So what this number is going to be, we have 10 and 8. What will be two numbers, you multiply them, give you minus 20. Let's see, we have, since this is negative, the big number will be negative. We have minus 1 times minus 20, and we have 2 times minus 10, and we have 4 times minus 5. Here give us minus 20, we don't need it, and see, this is the one, it give us minus 20, but if you add them to each other, give you minus 8. So this is the number we need. So that's our number. So what are we going to do? So what are we going to do here? In this case, I just looked if I'm alive or not. So what I'm going to do, we're taking here, we do like parentheses here closed. We take this number here and we put it each side without the square. So we have 10x and we have here 10x. And then we add those two numbers each side. So we have plus 2, we have minus 10. Is the best and easy way to factor. So now we have it factored, and this here we have it equal to 0. So we have it here equal to 0. Therefore, we have this multiplication equal to 0. Therefore, this is here could be equal to 0, or this is equal to 0, or both of them is equal to 0. So we have 10x plus 2 equal to 0, or 10x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, we have 10x so here we can do this, factor it more, we have to do it. We have here 2, this is 5 times 2, and this is 1 times 2. We have it here 10 times 1, and we have it here 10 times 1. So when we do this, we have to simplify. We can remove this here. They are a common factor. So we will have it very simple, something like this. We will find same solution, it's just as easy like that. It will be 5x plus 1 times 2x minus 1 equal 0. Therefore, it will be 5x plus 1 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals 0. Because multiplication equal to 0, one of them it will be equal to 0, or both of them it will be equal to 0. Therefore, 5x equal minus 1, or x equal to 1. Here give us just x equal to minus 1 over 5, or x equal to 1. So the solution is 1 and minus 1 over 5. So to make sure that the solution is correct, let's substitute with 1. It will be 10 times 1 minus 8 times 1 minus 2 is equal, this is just 10 minus 10 is just 0. We know the solution is correct. Here is not about solving the equation, it's about how you know how to factor, and that will help you in many things in math. This is the first way to find the solution for this, for factoring. So let's do the second one. Second one, we have 2x squared plus 8x minus 6 is equal to 0. And this we try, if you don't remember the first one, because it's a little bit complicated, you don't do it for a long time, you might forget. So in this case, we try to see how we can simplify this. We see here, it's just 2 times 1. This is 4 times, this is just starting with 2 times 4. And here, it's just 2 times 3. Since equal to 0, you can always get rid of these 2. What we will have in the end, just 1 times x is just x squared plus 4x plus 3 equal 0. With the same idea, we take this number here and this, we multiply each other. This is just like 1, you give us 3. So we will have to